In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote in Xero. It's a handy tool for businesses of all sizes that helps streamline the process of preparing estimates for your clients. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero website and enter your login details. Once you're in, you'll want to direct your attention to the dashboard. From here, you can access various features Xero offers. Next, look for the Sales tab. Clicking on this will open up a variety of options related to sales transactions. This is your gateway to managing all your sales documentation, including quotes. Once you've clicked Sales, you'll see a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Quotes. Go ahead and click on that. Now you're taken to the Quotes page where you can see all your existing quotes listed. To create a new one, look for the button that says New Quote and give it a click. This will open up a new template where you can input all the details necessary for your quote. Start by typing in the contact person's details. This allows you to specify who will receive the quote. Xero makes this easy by letting you search existing contacts or add new ones directly from this window. Next, you'll need to set an expiry date for your quote, which defines how long the quote is valid. Typically, this might be 30 days, but adjust according to your business needs or the client's requirements. Alongside these details, you have the option to change the currency of your quote, which is particularly useful if you're working with international clients. Ensure you select the correct one to avoid any mix-up later on. After setting the foundational details, type the name of the item or service you're quoting for. Clearly naming your item or service helps the client easily understand what the quote is about. Additionally, accompanying your item name with a thorough description provides valuable context. This part should detail what the client is purchasing, ensuring they have a comprehensive understanding of the offer. Pricing is crucial, so you'll need to enter the price for the item or service. Make sure this is accurate and reflects any agreed terms or discounts with your client. Then choose the account for recording this potential sale. Often businesses have various accounts set for different kinds of sales, so make sure to select the appropriate one. You will now input the total amount for the quote. This number should match the overall cost the client will be presented with, taking into account any additional fees or taxes. Once everything is filled out accurately, you're ready to send the quote. On the top or bottom of the page, you'll see a send button. Clicking it once finalizes your quote and gets it ready for dispatch. With everything set, click send once more to officially send the quote to your client. You'll receive a notification confirming this, and your quote will now make its way to your customer. Congratulations! You've successfully created and sent a quote using Xero. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, creating quotes with Xero is a breeze, and now you're all set to manage your sales process more efficiently. Thanks for watching and see you next time.